Get paid, look out, get paid.
Straight out the good guy going down July 15th and 16th. They got a
okay, we got. Gonna go get these stickers. Get paid, look out, get paid. Get paid, look out, get paid. Go get the money. Go.
You want a burger?
A burger?
Yeah,
Nah, I ain't ready for no burger yet. Hell nah. Them burgers too big.
You're too skinny.
Duh. I'll do a half a burger. I'm setting the shirts up here for 20. I gotta watch out for that. Look at, put something on the website. Who on here a website helper? I need a website helper, man. I can't keep dealing with these people out of what? I don't even know what. They in other countries and shit. Okay, them stickers. Ooh. Let me get them. Bam, got them stickers. Gonna make her happy. I need something else. Oh, a large shirt. Get paid, look out, get paid. Oh, he ain't like that? Okay. I'm gonna see Lloyd's right here. He gonna be proud of me. Somebody else might want a law, but I'm gonna come back. Okay. Jake.
Big money race right here, look out.
Oh, it is?
Just straight forward, just right here.
Yoshi versus who?
Just straight forward, truck.
Oh, what?
Shit.
Where you going?
What?
I still don't know what the hell that
On the
means.
side, baby.
The Yoshi?
On the side, baby.
Midnight Performance probably getting out of line.
500.
I don't want to be.
200 to 400.
Ooh, shit. Damn. Nah, I'm finna go get some. I need some of that.
Don't get in the pot.
Yeah, I'm finna go get in there. I'll probably go up here. Let me sell this shirt first. Get this business.
We got a couple of guys.
Let me see.
Double enter in 2 or 3 different
Me,
classes.
website. Where a
So
website
you
help
don't
at?
hot rod, you just can't holler out them guys. Like, we don't
What's
get
up with it,
them.
Lobo?
I know we got Jason Tattoo. He
me
ran
see.
small tire. Also running
Where
so
where he go that fast? Hey, what's up? Oh,
that's
a
why
hat.
we got a small.
I got a hat for you. Yeah, I got it over there. Who the hell was just over here talking about a shirt? And now they don't even. Hey, there you go. Meet out. You said one, you ain't say. Okay, I go get another one. I got 2. Yeah, appreciate it. I'm finna go get the other one right now. Matter of fact, I'm going to get that right now. Getting paid now. I need to go get it.
RLA Performance.
All right. He said bring him another one for free. I'm gonna give his ass a sticker.
820 Performance. The Muscle King.
Oh, just send me an email. You gotta email me. You know how hard it is to go live all night and then remember what the hell y'all talking about. I'm finna have some mobile counters. You gotta. Hey, anybody want to donate? Come on, my Cash App, Apple Pay, Facebook Pay, anything, any kind of payment. It's 214-514-9545. My boy gonna put it. What brand is the shirt? I use good brand shirts. Look out, I'm just checking it out. I use good brands. Usually I do Bella and Canvas. But at one time I was doing anything. What, is you picky or something? Your shirt gotta be a certain type of shirt, or you unhappy? Which one? Look out, y'all on my YouTube channel. Already. Well, check it out. We got my girl over here, Honey Styles. Y'all need some service. You know what I'm saying? She got the service going on. Yeah, she got her business cards right here.
Custom license plates,
Custom. She doing custom license plates, custom T-shirt, tumblers. They putting it on your blankets and everything. Phone. I might get me a phone case. I'm gonna have a Lookout Racing phone case.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Matter of fact, let's put the order in. I need a phone case.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
What kind of phone you got?
I got an iPhone 12. I want to look at it on there. Yeah, just put Lookout on there.
Okay, I got you.
Already. I'm gonna pay you later. Already. Let me get this. Pay you later.
Hey, bro, I think your tags are.
Yeah, they is. I don't be having no extra money to pay.
I don't have extra money.
Yeah, man. Okay. Yeah. Hey, ooh, this could be. Hey, man, I see you out there winning. I see him out there winning. Get paid, look out, get paid. Hey, y'all, it costs y'all nothing to like and support the video, they say. It be free. You already watching some $25 racing. It costs some people 50. How much you paid to get in here? 50.
For some bullshit.
Yeah, he paid 50 to get in here.
And I'm supposed to be leading.
Oh, I need. Oh shit! I ain't holding that little motherfucker. What the tweezers at? Hold this little motherfucker, y'all. My boy, I did forget to get his hat. Oh shit, y'all. Let me see. Man, I need to tie my shoe, y'all. That's what I really need to do. Hold on. Let me tie my shoe. I gotta get old boy a hat. I got plenty larges. What you say, Cookie the Prince? Bring it back over there. You ready? Okay, I'm gonna come back. Hey, miss. You ready, miss?
You got shirts?
I got shirts, miss.
Hey!
I got a lot of larges, though.
That's cool.
That's cool. I got what you need, man. Here, you want to hold this for a sec? I sure need to tie my shoe. You want to hold the box? Hey, look out. I need you to hold this real quick. I need to do this, tie my shoe.
I don't want to
Look out! Look out! Look out!
Oh, I have my truck on TV.
You ain't gonna make it in there.